The portable EL detector excels in the field of testing thanks to its high-definition image display function. The equipment is equipped with a 24.16 million pixel high-definition infrared camera, ensuring extremely clear EL image quality and laying the foundation for precise detection. The programmable constant current power supply can be tested on site and can perform 24-hour uninterrupted testing, meeting the requirements for long-term testing. Utilizing the tablet for wireless detection and image transmission viewing, there is no need to view through the camera. The detection image operation becomes more convenient. The 2-meter carbon fiber tripod stand facilitates multi-angle testing of components, ensuring no blind spots in the inspection process. Wireless remote operation test of the entire machine. One person can easily complete the entire project, thereby reducing labor costs. Equipped with a 3-in-1 anti-theft luggage case, it is lightweight and safe to carry and transport, and is convenient to use in various scenarios.